everyone. In this video you will see a tuned Vaz 2109, popularly called 9. Let's tell a little about the history of this car. The 5-door hatchback of the Vaz 2109 Lada Samara Lada Sputnik began to be produced in 1986, a year later afte 8. The car was equipped with a 1.3-liter engine with a power of 65 horses, the gearbox was a 4-step, and since 1989 a 5-step. Especially for export, Vaz 21091 was made with a 1.1-liter engine. Since 1990, the upgraded 9s with a so-called long wing and a different radiator grille began to descend from the conveyor. In the mid-1990s, the car began to be equipped with the 1.5 liters engine with a carburetor 70 horsepower or injection system 78 horsepower. In small quantities also were produced cars with a rotary-piston engine Vaz 415 120 horsepower. In 1996-1998, the Lada Samara Baltic was assembled at the Finnish Valmet Automotive plant, a slightly improved version for the European market with a more modern dashboard, for which even an airbag was offered as an option. Subscribe to the channel, comment and click on the bell. See you soon, friends.